Combining file of different format into single PDF file. Click on Adobe Acrobat to open. To combine file of different format, click on Tools and Create and Edit Group. Click on down arrow and Create PDF section. Click on Open. Then click on Multiple File. By using this option, I am going to show you how to create single PDF file from multiple files like Excel, Word, JPEG. Click on Next. Click on Add Files if the files are not opened. Then you can select Excel file, Word file, JPEG file. Then click on Open. You can see three files of different format has been selected and it is being uploaded here. Now click on Combine File. You can see it is combining here. The first file has been converted. Second file is in process. It is showing here. Now third file. In this way, you can see this is the final file and all the file have been converted into a single PDF file. Then click on Save. Then click on this folder. Then save it by the name Binder1. Click on Save. In this way, you can create single PDF file from multiple file of different format like Excel, Word, JPEG,